And yo, that's how music go. The artist here, Deagoman. Big up yourself, King. How's everything?
Blessings, 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 Daddy Red. Big up yourself, man. Big up all out there, you know.
Yes, I.
Media land.
Let's get straight to it, King. Now,
Yeah.
your musical journey. Everyone has their own story. So, when you first started, having aspirations of coming into the music industry, how old were you? Did you start on a sound? Did you start on a sound system?
Actually, no.
Okay.
But what happened?
How did you start out?
See, I started out doing some little stage shows and some little thing, in around Spanish Town and Mapen and them place because that's my trampling ground, But
Good.
actually, I got this inspiration from about the age 5. Yeah.
Okay.
That same brother named Beanie Man, him responsible for this thing. You see me? I hear the man and I don't know if it's Wadat or one of them sound where Barry G used to be, and they used to have this DJ Jamboree thing.
Okay.
Yeah. When I hear that little man saying some things, I say, hold on. So that hooked me from there. So from then I start put my little rhymes together and thing. But I go around and do my little thing because I was in St. Mary's at that time. But the time I was a little boy. That's where I born, When I went to Spanish Town, and I still do it on and off, on and off. But the jar is still inside of you, knowing you can do this and you want to do this and all that, but you didn't really get the push and the real inspiration and the energy based on or your family situation,
Of course, King.
My father is a man where he's strict. And when he said no music, give me no music.
Yeah, I know the way there.
Yeah, it wasn't into that. But up until today, I can't understand it because as a little boy, the man used to wait me out of my bed when his friend them come over. Come DJ. You understand me?
Yeah.
School the night I sleeping, go school and the man wake me up. Yeah, man, my boy. Yeah, they can't DJ bad. And the friend them and they laugh and they say, yeah, man, boy, Prince, name Prince Ellis, boy, Prince, boy, good. But then tomorrow, no, the man don't want to hear me. If the man hear me, the man, you have to run. So I say, I still can't understand it up until today's date. But
the
then,
elders.
But I get this name. I used to work when I graduated from school. I used to go Jonathan Grant because I grew up in Spanish Town,
Yeah.
But when I leave, he said me go to trade, trying to keep me away from the studio because I used to hang with like Gregory Peck and Ronnie Tweet and them little man. So I used to go to me and Gregory Peck, I used to have a under 50. Used to have a under 50 at the time.
Okay.
I used to thief and because the old man buy me the bike to do his own business at a security company. But I used to go with Gregory Peck, or jammies and scarf and studio. We used to just studio ride around, but I could only do it for like a short space of time. Once a man find out I doing that, he locked me down again.
Yeah.
So that's how it works. Like I said, I get the name now. I was working at the sugar factory, Bernard Lodge in Spanish Town.
Yeah.
It's a place named Lime Tree. And then I started to link up with some other fellows down there who love the art too. One named Spider-Man and one and two other little man. So Spider-Man is the man who give me the name Deagoman, because I used to be in trouble.
Okay.
I used to have this bad boy persona. Outside of the house as a bad man. When I go back home, I can't be no bad man no more. So the man said, my name is Deagoman. Say your name Diego, He's a Diego. So everybody just started calling me Diego from then, So
all right.
Yes, Spider was a more established artist at the time, doing his thing and being around. So I used to hang with him. But at the time, I only had one real rhyme, for myself. I used to have a lot of, 1 line, 2 line there. But I had one song.
How did it go?
So say talking about Diego. I can't remember fully, you know. But I used to
Okay.
when you tell me Diego, call me Diego and Diego this and Diego that. But it was bad at the time, you know.
Gotcha. Yep.
But then when Thriller you bust out of the pack now, he was doing some stage show, Lime Tree. And he said, Diego, because yeah, bad DJ with the one song and thing, and he said, man, you need to come with me. So I go with him, Lime Tree, and I mash up the place. You know? So a really good thing we keep it in that area where you know about it, call me, and you know, we do the thing, and you know. So at about 16, I record my first song, you know. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I recorded my first song at about 16. You know, and then I was going around with it because I didn't know what to do with it really. So I got Jamis and I said Panet, and I know Panet from St. Mary.
Okay.
And he told me, go buy Dynamic Sound. So I go buy Dynamic Sound, you know, and the man named Mr. Morrison at the time. Couple of us was in the room. That was at the time. And we go in the room and, you know, you're listening to everybody thing. And Johnny P was hot at the time, and Johnny P riding. Right? Johnny P riding.
Big man Johnny P.
Yeah. At the time Johnny P hot. He come inside of the room and there with Mr. Morrison and he help listening to the thing them with him, you know. So when he play my song, you know, Mr. Morrison say, I like this song. So what you say about that, Johnny P? Johnny P say, yeah, but you know, I forgot about do some work on it. But then I tell him my situation. I don't really free like that where I can't just bounce on as I ever like. When I get that chance to do one thing, I have to try make it work. So
yeah,
when he said that, you know, that kind of like threw me off the game, you know. But I never stopped building rhyme because I don't write. I build all of my songs them in my head. I never look at the paper and sing a song yet, never. You know. That's just my gift. If I write the song on a piece of paper, I don't know what to do with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
But then now I got me a pen, you know, because my mother live in me a pen. So when things hot in Spanish Town, I got me a pen from my mother.
Okay.
Yeah. And then now we have a couple little my dear one nigga them, you know, like I name Kiki. That's my little general, and with them and Soupy them and them little youth there. When Soupy lock up in the pen over St. Martin, you would you come out because you know it go, you know, innocent life and a good youth them, you know. So yeah. You know, and we got playing the little stage when the little thing keeping you on the corner because at one point, you know, we used to just take the road, you know. And anywhere someone play, you have to find a mic, give to me, you know.
Thank you.
Find a mic, brother. That's how much I didn't know, you know. Anywhere, like we used to just walk around everywhere. You know, there was no driving on. But walk around and every place where you hear a little pan. Once you hear something,
there you go.
You have to find a mic and give me.
Yeah, too bad social media wasn't out then. Yep.
No. And at the time, no. And anywhere I go, anywhere I used to go, you know, everybody have to be second, you know. No, man, I never find a man growing up with me and them I move through yet. We really say, well, then, can run me over. When you come, you can't be the best again. That's how
you go.
It was as a youth. But like I tell you in this business, music, you have to be consistent. Yeah. If you're doing music and you want to be successful in music, you have to be consistent, brother. And that was the problem. Because I can remember the days when I used to go to Miss me and Gregory Peck, you know. Time the Bounty Killer and the whole tribe, Harry Toddler, them, the whole of them, all of them, they used to just their Miss Elephant Man, everybody used to do it. None of them never used to boss at the time.
Yeah, they were kids.
You know? And me and Gregory Peck used to go, and Gregory Peck was a big man at the time.
Deagoman, John, you know how I go.
Yeah, so we could have go inside with Gregory Peck and thing, you know. One thing, you know. And it's just that you leave, you go for a while, 1, 3, 4 weeks consistently, then you stop again, 1, 6 months, you know, bother with music no more. And you know, it just go on and off, on and off. When you listen, you hear one bus. When you listen, you go back the next 2, 3 weeks again, and you leave again, they hear this man bus. You go back on, you know. So it's like Yeah, it's just like a game, you know. But like I said,
Yeah.
it's all about consistency, and that's why I could tell anybody who aspire to do music, and if you really love music, you have to be in it. You know, in and out like when school give recess. You have to be,
True.
you have to wrap yourself, you have to eat it, sleep it, breathe it.
All night long without sleeping. Yes.
And once you do that, you know, it will work, you know. It will
Mm-hmm.
work. Yeah, man.
Hard work and dedication.
It will work. Dedication and hard work. Yeah, man. So
It's true.
that's just the earlier days for me.
Mm-hmm.
You know? But then
All right. Yes.
I was in Florida in 2001. I went to live in Florida. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And I linked with this guy
Which part?
named Oliver. And I used to be between Fort Lauderdale and Miami. I used to stay on
Gotcha.
441. It always something about
Okay.
441. Either I work on 441 or I live further up on
Yep.
441. But something about 441, you know?
Okay. Yeah.
And then, you know, I start doing some music again. I link up with this fella named Jimmy. I think that's Bob Marley nephew or something to that effect. And you know,
Okay.
me and him start do some work, and I did a song with a girl named If Love. And
Mm.
then I link with a guy named Charlie. He used to manage Praga Benz and Innocent and Red Rat them and all of them at the time. He used to have a
Gotcha.
promotion, yeah. So he eventually bring me in the fold. Now this guy named Desi. I don't know if you know Desi. He in Shatter. A man who you see, they say, when he say, well, take the weed and give me the what? The fat man. You know
Yeah.
Shatter? Where his
Of
man
course.
say,
How you mean?
take
Yes.
the weed and give me the, and left the
Yeah.
money.
I
Desi,
know. I
you know?
remember the big man. Bigger. Yeah.
That's my friend, you know.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yes, to work on an underground station at the time, you know. So I used to get a lot of strength. Yeah, on the
Okay.
underground station, them, you know, because at one point I have about 5 songs playing on the underground station at the time, you know. Yeah, in Florida. So there was VP anniversary. I jump on that. They put me on another thing named Caribbean Reggae Festival. I think that's before, that's when they phase that out and bring in. What the one name what they have now?
It's all best of the best.
Best of the best, yes.
Yeah.
That was the last
Mm-hmm.
episode that stopped, and then best of the best come in. Yeah, so I
Gotcha.
work on that, I mash up that, you know, with all of the giants them was on it and thing, you know. So I
Good.
was here and doing that until thing was looking good, and then I go Jamaica. But when I go Jamaica now, what the unfortunate situation that my old man got killed. So I
Rest in peace.
diverted, yes, I divert my thing now to the security company, because I had a security company, you know.
Okay.
And then that
Yep.
kind of like distract me and throw me off again for the next couple of years. You
Mm.
know? And then what happened is when you doing music with responsibility, with children who's supposed to go to school
Eh,
and bills to pay, that's a hard task, you know, brother. So
Yes,
sometimes
it is.
it come down to where you have to make some
Make a
hard
choice.
decisions where you're gonna put on ice or where you're gonna run with. You understand
Yep.
me? That's why
Yes.
it's best if a young man decide he want to get into music without responsibility, just stay without responsibility until it happens. Just like you're going to
Facts.
college. Yeah? Just like you're going to college and you decide so you want to be a doctor.
Mm-hmm.
You want to drop out. You know, you just have to just say, well, watch this now. I just keep in a tunnel vision and just shoot forward. Because once you start having these little things coming up on these
Peer
responsibilities,
distractions.
big distraction. So you
Yeah.
have to deal with like, well, it's an education you're going for, you know? And
True.
just,
True.
yes, just stay fast. Yeah.
Yep.
So, you know, fast forward to 2019. That's when I really pick up back the thing the right way. You know,
Good.
living at the Bahamas, and I said, boy, you know, this music thing, I have to run out the last half with this music, you know, because I don't think I can really dead and rest in peace if I don't give it everything I got. You see? I rather
Yes.
do it and it don't work than I say, boy, you know, probably it would have work. You understand me?
Yes. You have to go for it now.
I
Then the
have to go
pandemic came.
all out. Yes, because all of them little things where used to trap me. Some of them
Mm.
come like you know, they minimize. Them still around, but not as demanding as it would have used to be. You know, so
Good.
now they can really pay more attention to the craft. And then
Good.
sometimes I have to say, look, like the older I get, the better I get.
Of course, experience is the best teacher.
Yeah, I tell you.
Yes.
You know, so
yeah,
because I can dabble in the young boys them style, and I could dabble in the 90s, but as a 90s artist. I love 90s.
Yeah, me too.
80s, 90s.
Yep.
I love that. That's my style. I think that's
the
real dance art. You understand me?
It is.
Because
of course.
if you look at it, right? If you're doing country music, right? Once you hear the rhythm, the country beat, no matter what you sing on it, you know that's a country. If you playing a jazz, and you no matter what voice you use, that's a jazz.
Yeah.
Calypso, no matter what voice you use, that's calypso. So
yeah,
if you come with a different rhythm, because the niggas them take out the bass,
the bass line, the snare,
right? And they call it a different thing, trap music, right?
Yep.
You vibe with them, you know, no problem with them. But I'm just simply saying that cannot be dancehall, because
it's not. It's all hip hop they're doing.
Yes. When the music, you know the music by the beat, right?
Thank you.
So if you hear a hip hop beat, you wouldn't call that dancehall.
No way. So don't sell it to us like that.
So trap music is a total different thing. That's why I have to respect Vybz Kartel, you know, because regardless of what, him still keep the dancehall energy.
Must authentic.
And still around the place. You understand him?
Of course.
Yeah. So when I look at it, I don't know what them doing. Yeah, them sound good.
I'm sick of it. Don't worry, I got a 1990s beat I'm about to show out soon. I'm sick of it. A few of them.
So in a realistically, brother, dancehall is my thing. Them man stay over this one doing what do, but I dancehall me a fight with same way. I run with dance. You understand where I come from? Yeah, man, but that's just the way it is. I just the love for the music, you know. So no matter
which is right,
no matter where I go and what I do in life, that part of me can't dead, because that's genuine. You understand me? That ain't no jump on thing and wanna be thing that real. You understand? So I just have to run with it right now, press it as hard as possible. You know, the lyrics them flowing and plenty lyrics round and plenty more song round, and we just keep on doing the work, and we just doing the work over time. You understand me? So that's where we are right now, you know?
All right, good. Real Queen of Diamonds, big up yourself. So how's it been going with you so far with your promotions? You know, since you could say this year, because you saw how last year everybody had to get creative in touch with their fan base, but at least 2021 is freeing up a little bit. So how's it been going so far?
Yeah, man, great going, man. Great going, you know? Because last year I had a song out named Uncle Hype, you know, dancehall song. You know, them girl cock up song. Yeah, and that
man,
get a lot of energy, you know. Yeah, that get a lot of energy on the street, in the club, radio, because I'm in the Bahamas, you know, and that playing every girl segment, you know. So that's a jar, you know. So, you know, we have another thing named Clean Like Jesus Police record right now. Super hype them, you know. I have to big up Sun City Radio in Jamaica, because them pushing that song hard, you know.
Good.
Beating that. So some good things, and it look positive, you know. I have some friends in Africa, some people in Africa, and them doing some good things, some helping me out with some promotions down there, and you know.
Good.
We're doing good. Macapella Promotions, you know, foundation worldwide, you know, to big them up still, because them doing some work. They give me some good energy. You know what I'm saying? And we have a crew down there in Jamaica. Big Zype them, and you know, they're doing a wonderful job. They're doing a wonderful job. They're making the thing reach out and going out, working, you know, and then
man, good.
You know,
which is right.
You know, Daddy Red's promotion still up there doing some
wonderful of course, work. How you mean? You know how we do it.
So we have a
solid kid.
And the whole team out there in Delaware. That's how the thing work, you know.
All day.
Teamwork, brother.
Thank you. Some people don't realize that how important the team is. You don't have any teams. You're gonna have a hard way of achieving your dream, but everybody have a right to decide their own thing. You know how that go.
Yeah,
Well, that's
true.
good. Yeah, man, come on. You know how I go. Listen, we gotta keep it real because you know when you live the music, like you, it's a different vibration because it's a real vibration. A man know right away what to do and how to do. He just got to get the time to do.
Real meds. Real, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, but
So
see,
like I said, your thing's shot because you have the tune. It's over.
yes.
It's over. It's a mad tune, King. Give me a little acapella of that, at least one verse or something.
Yeah, man.
You have to be in the mood.
Well, this is Dan Deagoman. And if me no bust by 2021, that means the Obiaman word is wrong. So pay attention. Because of close now the mix-up start between Spicy and the RT boss. Don't you know, say Obian worker don't have no heart. Every work Spice, give me come back, come talk, oh you rich. And of course, woman fit jump start. You said the gate full, man, can still not come out. I wonder if another Obian worker, they both are put this spell pan arm out from where there. Only a blue white rum, a hoof a chime them and try to hold them. You know, and it goes on and on and on and on and on.
Yeah.
But it's about fun. But I tell you one thing, Foota hype review that song, right?
It went crazy.
Yeah, it was crazy. But the only thing I didn't like was Foota said, they're going to kill me. Yeah. But see, where I look at it.
Yeah, I remember.
Where I look at it, brother. Sometimes, you know, some people, you might say certain things, you know, and some people take it serious, whereas if you leave it alone, they wouldn't pay it any mind. So,
true.
That's the only little thing. Sometimes I say some things and some people just say, oh, you know, say, true, if you kill that boy, say that. You know, so
don't talk up the things.
But I'm not afraid.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not afraid.
True.
We're out here without fear. You know, we're out here without
fear. Of course.
Because I know me the first man do mix-up song, you know. Elephant do mix-up song. Cecile Boss with mix-up song. Papa San do mix-up song. So these things been going on.
All
the only thing with my mix-up song, it have the Obia concept and it better than for the mix-up song.
Exactly. It'll run the place, man.
Yeah, it better than for the mix-up song. That's the only reason.
Yes.
That's the difference with my mix-up song. You see where I come from? Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, so we don't really have no problem. We don't worry about them because one day the eye go shot. We don't really want to shot, but if we shot, when the time comes, we shot, it's just that. You know, we gather now.
Yeah. Thank you.
But while they open, we're going hard and we're pushing.
Fire.
Anything I forget touch, I just get touched.
Yeah, anything get touched, it get brushed. They think they want to rush them face, get pushed, head get crushed. Don't bother with us.
Nothing personal, Reddss. Nothing personal, but the work is to be done. We have to do the work.
Thank you.
So
how you mean, man? I hear the song bad. Everybody that I give it to, they go crazy. As a matter of fact, you gotta do some studio work soon because these people want some specials and some jingles and all them things.
Which is right. Yeah, man. Man. When you know, whenever them ready, we ready. Cause you know the thing go. Yeah, man. We out here, man. Like I said, we out here without fear. Yeah. But,
exactly.
You know. I need to touch on a little point, you know, because when you look at it, you have a lot of guys, a lot of people who might start the journey with you, right? But not everybody who start the journey with you is gonna be there to see it through, you know. You know,
true.
Then again, when you look at it, everybody have their own aspirations and dreams and stuff like that. So people ain't got time to worry about the desire to really stay around and stick it out with you and your dreams sometimes, because some people dream very long. And you know, people like it like this, people like success, they want to see it happen. They want to see it happen. No.
Yeah, discipline they need.
Yeah, but guess what? What some people don't realize is my greatness, right? Can bring out your greatness.
Thank you.
Because if you look at it like this, and the reason why I can tell you that, the reason why I said that furthermore, but let me just clarify something. I'll give you an example. If you look at a Usain Bolt, right? The greatest man, greatest sprinter ever, right?
Yeah.
What does that make Glenn Mills his trainer? The greatest trainer, right? So it takes bold greatness to pull out Glenn Mills' greatness or to show Glenn Mills' greatness. Let's go music. Let's go music.
Yeah.
Talk about a kingdom. Talk about a Bobby Digital. The reason why them so great, you know, and they're known to be great and legend, you know, because they made legends and they made great people, great artists. So if they didn't made those great artists, nobody would have known their greatness.
You're right.
I say that to say this, a lot of people hold down other people to hold down their own self. They
don't know that. Yep, they don't know that.
Because if you work with me and make me becomes great, that means you're great too.
We win. We win.
Everybody win.
You know what it is?
You understand? But
they see it like this. Say you climbing a rope, right? You on the rope here, and the man holding on to you. But he see you above him, he cut the rope, everybody fall. They have no sense.
So nobody win. You understand?
Exactly.
Me? So I can't understand that yet. I can't understand.
Me neither, I never will.
Some people just don't have that depth, that meditation, because they're clouded with this selfishness, you know.
Very.
You know, why should I make LBU to be a star? I can't play your song. Why are you going to play your song? Why are you going to promote you? Eh? If I promote you, then you're going to be a star. I ain't going to be a star. But you know, look at it. If you give it all you got and you make yourself be, because everybody come in people's life for a purpose.
True. It can be a good purpose.
Yes. Sometimes ungratefulness make people cannot even see the reason why somebody really come in their life, because they might what they're looking for, what they expect from that person, they're not seeing it, because what the person came with didn't exceed expectations. But you have to open your eyes and see what it was that affect my life from this person being in my life. Then again, you have some people, see, there are levels. You understand? So somebody might come in your life and they can take it to this level. But then you have to know when to let go, when to cut loose. Because sometimes the same person who bring you up will bring you back down. Because there's a ceiling. And once you reach that ceiling, you can't go no more.
You gotta break through it.
That's your potential. You max out. And you right there stumbling until what? You end up break down back the whole thing. You understand me? So people just have to have open mind and just think logically and just be realistic. You know, not everything come in your life will last forever, but appreciate whatever the person brought to your life while it was there and keep it moving. You understand me?
Exactly. Don't
hold on an next person, man, because you're holding down other people. You're holding down yourself. You're stifling your own greatness. You can never be great. You understand me? By not helping somebody else to be great. You understand?
They don't realize that.
Yes,
each one teach one, each one help one. That's what it's all about.
That's why I tell you I don't have a problem with competition. Because competition
that's what make you better. That's what it's all about. It's fun. I'm a DJ as well. Anything that's dead. Trust me. You see how my energy come up when you say that? Yo, I live off of that. Yes. Yes. Imagine.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So that's just life, you know. And you know, we don't have a problem with competition. Competition build champion. Because if you have nothing to compete if you don't have anything to compete against, you can't win.
You don't know if you're good. You're no good.
Oh, you know your potential, your true potential.
Exactly, till you get that rival.
You have to have a rival.
Yeah. Prince Buster.
Push you.
Remember Mr. Morgan and Prince Buster from them days. He's always been there. Jacob Miller, you have Bob Marley, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
D. Brown, you had Gregory.
And
Ninja, Shaba, Beanie, Bunty, Movado, Vice, all the way to today. You need some rivalry.
If you don't have you can't have no champion. But what I realize these days, these young fellas, they're into that. They don't have no backbone. But what happens is that I think because they didn't really come through the old school where, you know, you used to have to go on stage, and 10 of you have to be on the same beat, the same rhythm. Yeah,
take the rhythm.
You just do your thing. You know, they just go up, you know, with them little thing, and
they're not built the right way. They're not built. Yo, most of them, it's like
studio
no
artist.
matter what they do or what they say, they live a little sheltered pamper life, and they manage to get a bag of men and gang of friends that feed their ego and tell them, yo, you're the baddest. Some even tell them a bad man. I see all of them as a punk because they don't know what they're doing. You got to be able to step out and do whatever you do alone with nobody in the world. You're back against the wall. Then you see what you made up.
Real soldier.
That's how it go.
Real
warrior.
Yeah.
Them boy a Cub Scout, man. And then all they doing, like I said, is pure hip hop. Listen, we're not fighting against their food. Because even as a producer, I got 2 little hip hop rhythms. I said, let me do it. The artists ain't gonna do it, they're gonna shell it. But I know I'm not gonna market that and say it's Jamaican music. It's American music. Let them shell it. But the authentic sound is what's needed. Even Beanie Man other day came out like literally crying in the interview. I gotta post that like, yo, he said, yo, we need new produce. It's terrible. Yeah, so I understand, man. Yo, Jono, they're just not getting it. They're not getting it.
True.
We gotta get a next set of youths, like maybe some little 8-year-old, 10, 6-year-olds, build from them and get them the real sound, and then they will run the place and wash away that. Got to.
Yeah, got to.
Yeah.
Purging, you know.
Terrible.
Purging.
You got to. Yeah. Because right now and then, no. All of them are afraid to go on the stage and clash one another. It's like them a studio warrior. The real warrior, when this man on stage, yo, you grab your mic and yo, lyric for lyric, and you see. And then they can't perform. And look, they're lip syncing. Come on, man, the whole thing watered down. And they watered down the sound.
Yeah, man. They're just computer DJ, man. Computer artists, man.
Yep.
They're not full. Yeah. They didn't build tough.
They don't know. They don't know the real days and the real ways, but hopefully, you know, we can find a way to counteract this with the next set of youths coming up.
Which is right.
For real. Yeah, man. So now, where can people reach you? Where can you be reached at, social media wise? Everywhere.
Yeah, well, it's Deagoman and Deagoman 876 on Facebook. Robert Noel on Instagram. And you can find me once you type in Deagoman 876 on all major platforms. I should be there. Right there looking at
all right.
Yeah,
good. All right, but hold up. Big up Crisis 89 from Barbados. That's an artist I'm going to want you to work with. Yeah. Trust me, the youth, yo, sensible and good. So I'm going to make the link. Matter of fact, Crisis meet Deagoman. Yo, y'all connect and do what y'all do, but I'll make the official introduction off air. But yeah, we have to work with the real artists, though.
Listen.
Must.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. So don't say a word, my family. You know how our thing go. And it's an honor to have you here.
Yeah, man.
More love, more life, more music, all right?
Yes, man. I have to big up the whole team, you know?
Big them up.
Yeah, man. I have to big up me. Charge them, real charge them. You know, kick it down all with them Napen youth there. I'm look at them from day one. I mean, them is a step street. I'm still link, you know, Soapy and them youth there. Yeah, man. I say, you know, we have to big up Big Zype them, and we have to big up the whole of Bahamas. Yeah. We have to big up like DJ Brother and them, and they hold down my thing, you know. And we have a whole heap of DJ in the Bahamas there, Super Prince, Sheldon Vibes, and all of them man, they know, DJs as them do the thing, you know. All of the man, them fire buckle, them man, they will do the thing for me in the Bahamas. We still have to big them up and show them. They love straight up, you know what I say? Yeah, man, I still have to big up 100 jams to because them do some good thing for me. Excitement, reality, and all of them, man. They Thunderman, them, you know, big up DJ Sexy. You know?
Yes, Robbie.
And then our daughter birthday tomorrow, and I say, you know, happy birthday, Jada. Big up yourself, you know. Daddy Reddss, you know, if big up money, doll, you know, because you still have to have some local inspiration around us. So some want them name call and some want them name call, you know.
Good.
Over America there and all the people and Daddy Reddss, big up yourself straight up, Tucker. You know the game go. You know?
Of course.
Go out here, man. Big Zype, no watch nothing, brother. You know? Super hype and all of them, man, they were do the thing from down the yard there. You know? So, yeah, man. Just more strength and more love, man, and more peace and prosperity. Understand? Yeah, man.
Yes, King. All right, so we're going to end it. I'm going to play the song, and then we're going to end it. Deagoman, it's over. Check it out, people. Respect my family. Dread out.
Now this is done, Deagoman. He was by 2021, that meaning of your man word is wrong. Anything she wrong, no proof, nothing makes us start. Between spicy and the acting boss, you must say your man, you have no heart. Every word spice scheming, come down. Now you reach and go so man to jump start. You get right, but I still now go out. But guys on it down, they work on it. They put this bit on and I'm off from when you come in, just go and come. I'm for them, I try to you all. If it's fancy, I grab the crown and ladies, you go for when disappointed. You find that and get the 90s where you go stand and see a little music. And I will make you put your back up with. You must see that church and town like this. When it's over, all is over. I know this life will be greater. It is over, all is over. Don't let me cry, you know, pick up over. You know, you're simple. All the people, let all the because all the people, all the people, all the school, let you I'll chase and I'll take off. Stem still out and the woman for the only melody done for
Yo, mad king. Mad. That's the song. That's the song right there. Get the torch, right? Light us. Man say lighter, hold on. See lighter there. Yo, y'all deal with the thing, man. It's over. Yes.
Just one Valentine thing there with me love, you know. Love it that you see meeting, the world seeing meeting.
Yo! A moment of silence for all those who are dead now.
No problem at all.
Yo, exactly, Robbie, big up yourself, yo. Bad king, bad. Yo, everything done. Yo, Levigati, big up yourself, all GT, massive, hold it down. Demerara, Georgetown, yes man, it's over. For real, dump it up. Yo, make sure you follow the artist, Deagoman 876 on Facebook, and right here, Robert Ellis on Instagram, John O'Star. We got more work to do. We got more work to do. Trust me. Got you, okay. Yes, sir. Johnny Clark, original, big up yourself. Original Johnny Clark, yo, we say more love, more life, more music, and manners to the elders and the legend. Johnny Clark, we have to get you up in here. You got to tell the people your musical journey, because I always play your music, king. Johnny Clark did a song with Gully Bop recently. It's tough, just like yours. It's over. It's over. Yes. So, my family, you have anything else to say, or we end it here? Because remember, your life, you control this. You tell me when the life done. Your life.
I always say, man, we just keep it positive and keep it real, man, and stop the unnecessary killing, man, you know. We want some more love thing, man, you know. Because we don't understand why you them are killing one another, so for no reason at all, you know. So that's one of the greatest things I like to see, man, them just come together and unite. We don't know if it's going to happen, but we are hoping it up. You know, the government, them for just
our best
good work, you know, all the one wholeness and all of them down there. Because Jamaica, no matter where go Jamaica or home, you know, straight. So I just
of course.
You know. Yeah, man, we have say more life, more prosperity, we have say positive, you know, big up yourself, Robbie Spanglers. There, we out here without fear, you know, and the whole team, you know, big up all of New York, Delaware.
Yeah, man, Brooklyn in the house, Bed-Stuy, do or die all day.
Yeah, man. Man, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
We shall meet again.
All right, Ken.
Big up Johnny P, brother, my brother, bonafide brother, my blood brother. Anyway, you're there. Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Can't come here no big up Johnny P. But of
course. I know, right? Y'all hell him up for me. Tell him we got to get him on here next.
Big up producer. Yeah, man. Sunshine Cook. I do some good work with my thing, you know? So, big up them the same way. So,
yeah, man.
I say.
All right.
You know, one love. Peace out.
Man, all right, dread out.
Movie.
Robbie and everybody, we out. Bless Levy.
Yes,
follow my page and follow Deagoman. We good. Bless my family. All right. Dread out for now. Yeah. Yo, follow the page, people.